Good morning, students. Now we are in the last topic of reproduction, that is, the use of technology in reproduction. In today's world, science and technology has spread its wings in all aspects of life. Scientists are using technology to produce better variety of crops of various types of plants. They are also trying it in case of animals. So, in animals, cloning is being used to produce an exact copy of a cell. And this cloning is done for the first time by Ian Ilmet to have cloned a sheep named Dolly, who was born on July 5th, 1996. So, cloning is the production of an exact copy of an animal by means of asexual reproduction. By sexual reproduction, the exact copy of daughter cannot be produced. So, by asexual method, it was done. So, any two animals which contain exactly the same genes are called genetically identical. An animal which is genetically identical to its parent is called a clone. So it is an exact copy of its parents. Clone is an exact copy of its parents, and cloning is the process, the production of an exact copy of animal by means of asexual reproduction. Many such attempts have been made ever since to clone mammals, but either these attempts went unsuccessful or these animals die immediately after birth. इसके पहले भी बहुत सारे एनिमल्स में किया गया था क्लोनिंग, बट इट वॉज नॉट सक्सेसफुल. सो द फर्स्ट टाइम इट वॉज डन इन द शिप and it was named as Dolly. Then second technology in reproduction is in vitro fertilization, which is also known as IVF. In IVF, fertilization is performed by extracting eggs from a female and retrieving a sperm sample from a male. First, the egg is taken from female and then sperm from the male, and outside manually it is combined in a laboratory dish. In the laboratory, it is done by the scientist or by the doctors, and then the fertilization occurs outside, and when it forms zygote, then it is introduced, or after zygote, when the embryos are formed, then the one or more embryos thus formed are then transferred to the uterus of a healthy female and who carries the child through parturition. This technique is beneficial for the women who cannot produce babies. Some women are there who cannot produce babies in the normal ways because the eggs released by their ovary cannot meet the sperm and get fertilized in the oviduct. So here the fertilization can take place in a glass dish or a glass tube in the presence of doctor, and this method is commonly known as test tube baby technique, in vitro fertilization or IVF or test tube baby. So in vitro fertilization technique is used to help those couples in having babies who can produce sperms and eggs, but fertilization cannot take place inside the woman's body due to a blocked oviducts. So this technique is IVF. Then young ones and adults. In humans, newly born babies look like the adults. In some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adults. In case of frogs, insects and frogs give or they lay their eggs, and from egg the larva comes out, and from larva the pupa, and then it forms adult. This process of development is known as metamorphosis. So similar stages of development are found in the life cycle of butterfly also. You have read in the lower classes, egg to larva. See here, the adult frog lay eggs. From eggs the embryo develops, then embryo changed into tadpole, which is present in the water bodies, and then tadpole with 2 legs, then tadpole with 4 legs, and then the young frog, and then it becomes adult. These changes in frog is known as metamorphosis. It can be happen in other insects also, in housefly, in mosquitoes, butterfly, not mosquito, it is butterfly, where the development involving the larval stage in development of embryo into an adult is called indirect development, whereas one that directly develops the embryo into an adult is called direct development, which happens in human beings, lizards, hens, and dogs. It is indirect in frogs, toads, and insects. So, metamorphosis is the process of transformation from an immature form of an animal like larva to its adult form in 2 or more distinct stages is called metamorphosis. In simple words, the change of a larva to an adult animal is metamorphosis, and it happens in frog and insects and toads, etc.